full-size landing in a moment. So everybody back to the safety barrier, please, no exception. So any moment, there he comes. Side slipping in slightly, just using a bit of rudder just to bring the nose perfectly in line with the middle of the runway. There's number one.
Actually, right to the end before you turn left.
That might be Mark Jeffries on it.
No, Chris Bergen.
Oh, that's Chris, was it? Okay.
Tristan to flight line, anybody?
Is definitely significant.
Stephen, Vision.
So the one aircraft is now safely parked. Just waiting for the second aircraft to come in and join us. So there will be 4 aircraft in total, and the other 2 will be coming a little bit later on. And here comes the other one. There we go, nice and safe. Bit of bumpy, but that's Weston Park for you. There you go. You want to see these things fly later, you'll be mesmerised when you see 4 of these flying in such close proximity to each other, and they're all wired up within a white. Yeah, all by the pilot's tent, the marquee by the white tent. Can you move back to the barrier, please? Come on. Side slipping it. Got that crosswind, of course. Just flick the rudder around to bring it straight, and perfect. Oh, lovely. Happy days. So we have 4 airplanes now already. The global stars are here. Right, wait for them to taxi.
Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.